Yesterday, the United Nations accused Israel of seizing an educational institution in Jerusalem and depriving young Palestinians of their future. That accusation reverses the truth. UNRWA does not own the land in question. It has belonged to the Jewish National Fund since 1937. Israel is not taking this land away from Jerusalem's Arab residents. It is transforming it for their benefit. More than 40 million shekels are being invested in a new educational and community complex. A boys' high school will open in September. More schools will follow, together with a mosque, healthcare facilities, and sports facilities. For decades, UNRWA enclosed this land. Israel is opening it to the local Arab community. The UN Secretary General omitted all this. He spoke of education being taken away while concealing the schools Israel is building. He portrayed UNRWA as the victim while ignoring the thousands of Arab residents who will benefit. Why? Because this controversy is not really about education. It is about shielding UNRWA from accountability. UNRWA presents itself as a neutral humanitarian organization, but for years it employed people who were simultaneously working for Hamas. Fatri al-Sharif was a UNRWA school principal and head of its teachers' union in Lebanon. Hamas acknowledged that he was also its leader in Lebanon. Suhail al-Hindi worked for UNRWA for 27 years as a teacher, school principal, and union leader. He became a member of Hamas's political bureau. Israel has identified at least 18 UNRWA employees who actively participated in the massacre of October 7, 2023, including in killings, abductions, and operational support. One UNRWA teacher recording himself boasting, "We have female hostages. I captured one." These are not isolated cases. They reveal how deeply Hamas penetrated an organization entrusted with education for Palestinian children. Donor governments can no longer claim that they do not know. The question is not whether Palestinians should receive humanitarian assistance. They should. The question is whether humanitarian objectives can excuse institutional complicity. Whether an organization receiving public money may place itself beyond ordinary standards of scrutiny, and whether the United Nations emblem should prevent questions from being asked. The residents of Kfar Aqab will receive new schools, healthcare facilities, sports facilities, and a mosque. That is the reality the United Nations chose not to mention. The United Nations is not entitled to immunity from the truth.